Understanding negation through prefixes. The power of no in English. Hello, learners. We've been focusing on expanding our English vocabulary through the use of prefixes, and today, we're diving deep into a very special kind of prefix. These are prefixes indicating negation. These small word parts can turn a word into its opposite, letting us express a wide range of ideas. So, let's explore the power of no in English together. Before we get into specifics, let's quickly recap what prefixes indicating negation are. They are parts of words placed at the start, which change the word's meaning to indicate a negative or opposite idea. For instance, the word happy becomes unhappy when we add the prefix un, which signifies negation. There are several common prefixes that we use to negate words in English. We will look at a few of them. 1. Un. This is probably the most common negation prefix. It can be added to many adjectives and some verbs. Examples are unhappy, uncertain, unzip. 2. In I am, ill, ir. These prefixes are used before words starting with different letters to make pronunciation easier. Examples include inaccurate, impossible, illegal, irregular. 3. Non. This prefix is often used with nouns and adjectives. For example, nonfiction, non-smoker. 4. Dis. We see this before some verbs, adjectives, and nouns. Examples are disagree, dislike, discomfort. 5. A. This is not as common, but still important. Examples are amoral, apolitical. Now, let's put these into practice. Try and find the negation prefix in these words. 1. Disapprove. 2. Irresponsible. 3. Unaware. 4. Non-existent. 5. Illegal. Did you get them all? That's right. They are dis, ir, un, non, and ill, respectively. As you can see, prefixes indicating negation are powerful tools in English. They help us express the opposite of an idea just by adding a little something at the start of a word. Keep practicing these prefixes and soon, you'll be able to identify and use them with ease. We hope this video was helpful, and remember, keep exploring the power of words. Until next time, happy learning!